Hi, everyone. Thank you for your interest. My name is Cameron Johnson, and I'm a member of our business development team here at Tango Card. Today, I'll be guiding you through an overview of the Tango Card API and provide a glimpse into how it can support your business and your objectives around rewards and incentives. Let's get started. First things first, the documentation. This is available publicly at developers.tangocard.com. From here in the top left, also another couple helpful resources, recipes, as well as an API reference page. One particularly helpful tool is our test console. From here, this is basically going to give you every single get and post call that can be made to our RESTful API. Pulling out any order, you're going to be able to copy that model over to the left here, make any edits, see the definitions behind each parameter. This resource has been really helpful in development teams building quickly and efficiently. One of the first major questions a client has to answer when they're creating or starting the build to our API is what type of organizational model are they going to use? So from this graphic, you can see there's two major models we support, the 1-to-1 ratio and the multiple account structure. Funding is held at the account level. So whether you have different programs or you're actually building this with your clients being the ones that are going to fund these accounts, no matter the structure, we can support it. Really, there's two very important calls to our system. One being the get catalogs call. So when I make this call, you are bringing back all of the related brand information to each item that is within your platform's catalog. So if you've worked with us to add Amazon, for example, Amazon will come back in the get catalog call. We're going to bring back a number of parameters that are specific to the brand. Brand name, disclaimer, description, short description, the terms, 6 different sized images, and then most importantly, the gift cards or the items, what we like to call a UTID, a unique Tango Card identifier. The items underneath that brand will also be available. This catalog call is what you're going to build your integration around. If we ever make a change to the description, the disclaimer, as long as you've built to these parameters and mapped to them appropriately, if we ever make a change on our side or Cabela's decides to change their disclaimer, we'll make that change. And as long as you call the get catalog call once a week, cache the results, we're going to bring in that accurate information to your native application. So to give you an idea of what this could look like, this is a simple catalog view of what you can build around our get catalog call, right? We pulled in the different sized images, the specific brand name. For example, here's Cabela's. We actually have multiple values, right? And then for a variable card like CB2 or Chipotle, we've actually given the min and max value for that variable UTID. So we're going to give you the flexibility to design a catalog around which items the brands actually sell. If we dig into Cabela's, for example, I have another screenshot here, you'll see that, again, we're feeding in the description of the card, as well as Cabela's specific disclaimer, maybe a smaller sized image. And then again, building around those UTIDs, you know within your app, the recipient can choose a 25 or a 50. So that get catalog call really shows you everything Tango Card is providing, keeping up to date, giving you access to hundreds of brands all within one simple call. Another important piece of the API, and this kind of gets into how Tango Card works with each one of our clients, is what we call brand compliance, right? Or what the brands expect from from being involved in your particular program. The brands want Tango Card to take clients like you through what we call formal brand approval. And that's just to make sure that the brand's images are in the right place, the disclaimers are proper, they're up to date. Our API helps with some of that. And then beyond just the technical side of it, our onboarding team, our customer success team, and our business development team will all work together to help you build appropriately and then achieve these brand approvals. The last call I want to show is the post orders call. How do we actually purchase a gift card? So I'm going to bring up what this order call looks like, right? You're basically letting us know the account identifier, right? Which account are you debiting against? Which customer is that account under? What subject would you like to pull into the email template? What email template you're actually sending, right? We'll get into that a little later, but you're going to be able to design what you want the email delivery to look like, whether it has your brand image on it, one of your clients. That will be signified by an ETID. Right here, you can see I'm just using the standard Tango Card template, E6 zeros. We also have an external ref ID. This is an item potent field. Always highly recommend our clients use. It's going to cut down on duplicates, basically allow any issue in regards to internet latency. Is going to allow you to call for the same gift card and not purchase a duplicate. So that external ref ID is very important. So that gives you a good idea of how simple that order call is, right? The last parameter here, obviously the UTID, which SKU, which item, which unique Tango Card identifier are we buying? We are buying a $50 Macy's card. Let me give you an idea of what that delivery looks like. If we do have Tango Card send email set to true, this is what you're going to get with a Tango Card standard delivery. Again, the Tango Card standard logo up here in the banner image, the recipient's name, this is all dynamic, whether it's embedded into your API post call, whether it's within the ETID, all dynamic to how you want the greeting, the messaging, the salutation to appear. All of that's customizable, even the from name in the email, as well as the subject. One part you won't have to worry about by leveraging our delivery is the image, right? The image, the credential, the redemption instructions. Then another major value add of working with Tango Card is you're actually leaning on our recipient support. So any questions the recipient has around the Macy's card, they're going to contact Tango Card before they contact you. You can also see we pulled in Macy's disclaimer here at the bottom. And then just like any reward code that we offer, that URL code is going to take the recipient right to the landing page that's associated with that particular merchant needed. One other last piece I'd like to show you, it's related to the ETID, as well as one of our flagship UTIDs. So when you customize an ETID, we're going to give you the ability to customize that banner image. Again, from name, subject, you can see what I changed here. We are a Seattle-based company. I'm a bandwagon Seahawks fan, hence my Seahawks custom template. So this gives you an idea of how our email delivery will look with a customized ETID. The last thing I'd like to show you is our flagship product reward link. This is a choice card. Again, it's just another item, another UTID in your catalog. But what this reward link offers is a choice experience. So rather than delivering a specific gift card, we deliver a reward link URL where the recipient gets to decide how they'd like to spend their funds. Whether that's on 80 brands that we curate in Reward Link Preferred, whether you guys want to brand the imagery here, this gives you an idea of what our choice card looks like, and it's all contained within that one UTID. That's it. Wanted to keep this simple, efficient. Two most important calls to working with us: the get catalog call. We're going to make it possible for you to build a brand compliant catalog. We're going to give you the resources internally, onboarding, customer success, business development, to help you structure and build to our API effectively, and then end it with purchasing the gift card. That post call is very simple. You tell our API which account you're buying from, which item you're buying, how you're going to deliver it. All of it's contained within those two calls. So appreciate everyone's time today. Look forward to working with you.